This is where chocolate comes from. This is the factory, and it is completely, utterly unreal. Dark, milk, hazelnut, truffle, white. Everyone made in this building. Everyone extraordinary.
It all starts here. Raw cocoa beans, the seeds of every chocolate bar ever made. Inside this drum, at exactly 135 degrees, the beans transform. The smell must be extraordinary. The shell is removed. What's left is pure cocoa nib, the very heart of chocolate.
This is the surface of a chocolate bar, magnified. It looks like a different planet. Extraordinary. Behind every bar, these raw ingredients. Sugar from Brazil, cocoa from Ghana, milk from local farms.
Under enormous pressure, the nibs melt into cocoa mass. This is where solid becomes liquid gold. Millions of bars, every single day, all starting from this one perfect liquid moment. Stay with me, because what's coming next inside this factory is absolutely unreal. Wait, does chocolate always look this perfect? The answer, Colm, is yes, always, and it gets even better. The molds are ready, empty, waiting. Hundreds of them coughing, moving in perfect, hypnotic unison. This is the moment, liquid chocolate, meeting its mold, perfectly synchronized, every single time.
Look how perfectly level it sits. No spills, no mess, just perfection, every single bar.
A vibration table shakes every single bubble out. Watch the surface smooth itself perfectly flat. Unreal. For hollow bars, the center is drained, leaving just a perfect chocolate shell. The craft is extraordinary. Now, Ali, watch what happens next. The fillings go in, and the result? Oh, just wait. Sealed. Perfectly. The filling is hidden now, locked inside its chocolate shell. Like a secret. 24 perfect molds. In perfect rows. One tray done in under 3 seconds. It never stops. Hundreds of trays. Moving into the cold. The molds need to set now. And what comes out the other side? A 100-meter cooling tunnel. Temperature precisely controlled. The chocolate contracts and locks into its final form. 12 degrees Celsius. The cocoa butter crystallizes into what scientists call Form 5. The perfect snap. They emerge. Set. Solid. Perfect. You can actually see the cold mist rising off each tray. And they fall. 24 perfect chocolate bars, released from their molds in one single moment. Look at those edges, those perfect squares. That logo plaited, pressed sharp and clean into every single bar. Some slabs need cutting. This blade weighs 40 kilograms. It drops at exactly the right angle. Watch. That crack is the sound of perfect tempering. Only perfectly tempered chocolate sounds like that. Comment below, Treebee, just one word, Treebee, how this sounds to you. I'll go first. Hypnotic. A laser checks every single bar. Off by even 1 millimeter, it's removed. Only perfect bars move forward.
And behind every machine are people, expert, dedicated people. This is their craft, every single day.
This is just one line. There are 16 more running right now, every single second of every day. This is the part everyone waits for, the wrapping. And trust me, Tex, it is the most satisfying part of all. Gold foil, thinner than a human hair, folding around every edge, every corner, perfectly, automatically. Watch these corners. 4 folds per corner, 16 perfect folds per bar, thousands of bars per hour. Now the printed sleeve. It folds, it creases, it snaps tight. The bar disappears into its wrapper. Heat sealed, airtight, protected. The bar is now complete, and it looks absolutely unreal. There it is, from cocoa bean to this, one perfect wrapped chocolate bar. The process is extraordinary.
And this happens continuously, every second. Tens of thousands of perfect bars every single hour.
Quick question, Pleaty, dark, milk, or white? Tell me in the comments. I genuinely want to know. That reflection on the foil, that gold shimmer, is one of the most beautiful things in manufacturing. They flow, hundreds per minute, from wrapping into packaging. The factory never stops. Each group, exactly 12 bars, not 11, not 13. The machine counts them perfectly, every time. From a flat sheet to a perfect box in 0.3 seconds. The origami of industry. 12 bars. One motion. The box fills in a fraction of a second. The precision is hypnotic. Hot glue, a perfect bead, and the box seals shut. Another box ready for the world. The label, applied in 1 millisecond, perfectly centered, every time. The technology is extraordinary. Boxes inside boxes. The outer carton holds 24 retail boxes. Another layer of perfect packing. This is just one 8-hour shift. 60 million bars will leave this facility this month alone. Every single box is tracked, barcode confirmed, batch number logged. From this factory to your hands. The warehouse. Millions of bars Carly. Silent, perfect, waiting. Ready for their journey around the world.
The snap test. A perfectly tempered bar snaps clean. No crumbling, no bending, just a perfect break.
Melting point test. Body temperature, 37 degrees. Perfect chocolate melts on your tongue, exactly like this. They actually measure the gloss, a number. And perfect chocolate scores above 75 on the gloss scale.
And finally, the most important test of all. The taste. No machine can replace this. Only a human can.
Cut it open. No voids, no air pockets. Perfect density throughout. This is what quality looks like inside. Even the hardness is measured. Every batch, same hardness, same snap, same melt. Guaranteed.
72.4% cocoa. Verified. Certified. The same as yesterday. The same as tomorrow. Consistency is art.
Impossible to believe. This is the full picture. One factory, 16 lines, all running at the same time, right now.